now today we are going to learn how to accept apologies. When somebody says sorry to you, what is the right way to accept the apologies? So we can say, never mind. Suppose I'm walking and I by chance pushed you. I say, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. So when you're speaking, your words should match with your tone and your expression. I'm sorry. So what will you say? Oh, never mind. It's okay. Never mind. And suppose by chance, I have taken your pencil and I did not ask for the permission. I thought it is mine. I'm sorry, I took your pencil by chance. It doesn't matter. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Oh, I forgot to give your money. I'm really sorry. Take this. Ah, thank you. Doesn't matter. No need to be sorry. So this is the way you say reply to the apologies. Don't worry about. I forgot to call you, Shanvi. I had to inform you about the class. Doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Or I can say, no biggie. I'm sorry. And you are saying, no biggie. कोई बात नहीं. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. No biggie. No harm done. No harm done. कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ है. No harm done. Don't apologize for such simple things. No need to be sorry. Don't apologize. Oh, that's all right. कोई बात नहीं. सब ठीक है. That's all right. Sorry. I forgot to bring your parcel today. I had kept it on the table and I missed it. That's all right. No need to be sorry. Bring it tomorrow, but don't forget. Okay? That's all right. It's okay. Oh, don't mention it. I forgot your birthday, Rahib. I'm so sorry. Oh, that's all right. No apologies for this. So you can say like this. Let's repeat after me. Never mind.
Never mind.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
No biggie.
No biggie.
No harm done.
No harm done.
Don't apologize.
Don't apologize.
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 That's all right.
That's all right. That's all right.
Okay. Okay. How do you say that?
Okay.
And there should be a
It's okay.
when somebody is saying sorry, very smilingly, lovingly, you are saying, it's okay. Koi baat nahi. It's okay. So you should be very humble. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. We can also say, do not worry about it. It
No
happens.
worries. You can say no worries. Don't mention it. So that's much for this. How to say, how to accept apologies.